Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at the best equity large cap funds. So this video has been created to identify the best equity large cap funds. So before get started, let's move into the next slide. So this video does not encourage trading and is only used for the education purpose. And I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor nor associated with any of the stockbroker. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any decision in terms of mutual fund decisions. So in this slide you can find out there are 8 mutual fund companies, and I have taken the fund of equity large cap, namely from Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund, ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund, Nippon India Large Cap Fund, Axis Blue Chip Fund, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, IIAA Friendline Equity, HDFC Top 100 Fund, and SBI Blue Chip Fund. So when we are looking at the fund growth rate, when we are looking at the 5 years to 10 years growth rate, you can find that Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund has given a growth rate of 14.9% return, and ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund has given 16% return. Nippon India Large Cap Fund has given 17.6% return. Axis Blue Chip Fund has given 14.2% return. Mirae Asset Capital Large Cap Fund has given 17.6. IIAA Frontline Equity has given 15.3% return. HDFC 100 Fund has given 15.8%, and SBI Blue Chip Fund has given 16.4%. So this is the rate of return and mutual fund has given in terms of the large cap if it has been invested for a period of 10 years. So when we are looking at the inflation, the current inflation, we see that between 6 to 6.4 and 7 sometimes in some of the months. But when we look at into the some of the FDs and all, the rate of return in FDs will be close to 6.5 or close to 7%. So the FD returns never beats the inflation. So here we find that all the funds, especially the ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund and Nippon India Large Cap Fund, and also the Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund has given a tremendous growth rate, close to 15% return over the period of 10 years. Even when you are looking at the 5 years return, the all the equity funds have given more than 10% of the return. So it is always better that mutual funds always gives a better returns than the other avenues of investment. When we are looking at the corpus amount, where the asset under management in some of the funds are always higher than that of the other companies. So here when we see that Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund has a corpus amount close to 35,880 crores as an asset under management, and followed before that you can see ICICI Pru, which has the highest corpus amount with 40,286, and Axis Blue Chip Fund also has close to 33,892 crores of asset under management. So when we are selecting one of the in any of the large cap fund, definitely this will give an average return of more than 12% in any of the markets conditions if you are staying invested for a period of 7 to 8 years or more than 10 years. But if you are looking for investing more than 10 years, so you can find that Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund and Nippon Large Cap Fund has given more than 16 or 17% interest over the period of 10 years. So going forward further, about my investment, I have done an investment in HDFC Top 100 Fund. So when I look back my investments, definitely it has given close to 14 to 15% return. So Mirae Asset being the new company being launched, but when we look at the corpus amount, that is the asset under management is close to 35,880 crores. So let's move into the next slide. Yeah, here you will be seeing that the one of the ratings which is done by the business line. So when we find out the star rating, here three of the funds have got the 5-star rating. Here is the Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund has got 5-star rating. ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund also has been rated as 5-star rating, followed by Nippon Large Cap Fund also has got 5-star rating, and two of the funds have got 4-star rating, that is Axis Blue Chip Fund and Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, and the other three of them have got the 3-star rating, that is Aditya Birla Frontline Equity Fund, HDFC Top 100 Fund and SBI Blue Chip Fund. So this is the star rating which is according to the information given in the business line. This is based on the performance and the overall rate of return which the fund has given over the period of 10 to 15 years since inception. Yeah, in this slide you will be able to find out that what is the total number of portfolios each fund is holding. So when we look at the Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity, it has a total of 42 stocks, and ICICI Pru Blue Chip has a stock of 68 stocks under its portfolio. Nippon Large Cap Fund has 59 stocks. Axis Blue Chip Fund has got 39 stocks. Mirae Asset Large Cap has 65 stocks. Aditya Birla Frontline Equity has 78 stocks. HDFC Top 100 has 50 stocks, and SBI's Blue Chip Fund has 48 stocks. So these are some of the portfolios or the stocks which each funds is having in terms of their portfolio where they have invested. So this you can find here the Aditya Birla Frontline Equity has the largest portfolio with 78 stocks, and followed by ICICI Pru Blue Chip has 68 stocks, and Mirae Asset Large Cap has got the 65 stocks. Yeah, here in this slide you are able to get an overview about the portfolios, the corpus, and the rate of return which each fund has given over the 10 years. So with the clear index information, we can find that the company which has the largest corpus is with the ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund, which 40,000 crores of asset under management, followed by Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, which is having 35,880 crores, and both the fund has given an average return close to 17.6% and 16% respectively. So if you are looking for an investment, definitely I may be recommending the Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, where which is a new company which has started, but still the asset under management is much more higher than the other companies. So definitely the Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund and ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund will give a better return than the other large cap funds. Other large cap funds, definitely they give an average return close to 15%, but when we compare with Mirae Asset and Nippon India Large Cap Fund, they have outperforms the other large cap fund. So in my recommendation, before you do a final selection, please do more research on selecting which is the best fund. But if given an option, if it is being put forward to me, I'll be selecting these three funds because of the 10 years return they have outperformed the others. So definitely I'll go with ICICI Pru Blue Chip Fund, which has given 16%, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, which has given 17.6%, and at the same time Nippon Large Cap Fund, India Large Cap Fund, has also given 17.6%. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more videos on business, current affairs, stock market and mutual funds. Thank you.